Okay, so Lucas said quit mucking around. Just dry fit as much of this together as you can so you can kind of figure out where some of these components go. It is helping a little bit with the schematic I have that I found online. And then you can kind of see where the the heat transfer places are, and how much gasket stuff you need in there, and then how this bottom oven box has a flue on it. Where is that? Right back in here. Anyways, it sticks out, but it just butts up against the firebox. And that was the problem, is you're looking at this box and you're saying, well, that's got a gasket on it and a vent. It looks like a vent, but it's not. It's just a heat transfer. Then these plates go to the actual opening, and they heat on the bottom to heat the top of this oven box. This one heats the bottom of the other oven box. And then the superheat comes in through here off of this high heat burner to heat this burner and then be vented out the chimney. So it's like 2 steps forward, 3 steps back, and then 1 step forward again. So now all I just have to kind of do is make sure that the silver trim that go in here line up to these two things, because I can adjust those pins down there a little bit. And all that other laser leveling and stuff I did before was just a total waste of time. But I guess you don't know unless you try. And then Luca got pretty exhausted with all this thinking and schematicking and trying to figure out how to put this bloody thing together. So she's just about had enough, but she's going to have a nap now as soon as she gets rid of the wood ticks that she's got on her.